Hi Canva lovers! Today I'm going to walk you through the basic features in Canva Sheets. Step by step, nice and easy. So first, open up your Canva Sheets. Right away, you'll notice it feels really familiar, a lot like Google Sheets or Excel. Super user-friendly. Click on any cell, right-click, and you'll see a bunch of basic options pop up. You can copy, copy style, and paste, just like you're used to. Then there's Paste Special, where you can choose to paste just the values or just the format. Really handy if you want to keep things clean. You can also clear your selection, delete a whole row or column, and even add new rows or columns, either above, below, to the left, or to the right. Simple and intuitive. Now, if you want to sort your table content, you can easily do that too, from A to Z or Z to A. And if you need to freeze a row or column to keep it visible while you scroll, Canva Sheets makes it super easy. Let me show you. I'll freeze row 1. And now I'll unfreeze it. Done. You can also leave comments on any cell, great for team projects, and even tag your teammates directly. Canva is definitely thinking about collaboration here. Now, moving to the top menu, you've got some common options too. You can clip text inside a cell or wrap it, insert magic charts, format numbers as currency or percentages, adjust decimal points, and even change the background color, font style, and size. Basically, all the basics you need. And the cool thing is, Canva kept the names and functions really similar to Google Sheets and Excel. That way, if you've used those before, getting used to Canva Sheets will feel super natural. All right, that's it for today's quick tour. I hope this tutorial was simple and helpful. If it was, let me know in the comments what other Canva tips you'd love to learn. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new tutorial. See you in the next video.